Welcome. This is your sacred moment to clear confusion and find the wisdom within you. If you have a candle, take a moment to light it now. As the flame begins to glow, imagine it illuminating the path ahead, casting away doubt and guiding you towards truth. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, letting go of the noise in your mind. Again, breathe in light and focus, and breathe out hesitation and fear. Place your hand gently on your heart. Feel its steady rhythm, a reminder that within you lives the wisdom you seek. You are already guided. You already know. You only need stillness to hear it. Now, repeat after me. I release doubt. I release fear. I release hesitation. I trust my inner wisdom. I am guided by clarity and truth. The right decision reveals itself to me with ease. I trust the timing of my life. I trust the path unfolding before me. Visualize yourself standing at a crossroads. One path leads left and the other to the right. The sun shines above you and the air is calm. See yourself gently stepping forward. Notice which path feels lighter, freer, aligned. The right decision is the one that brings you peace. Now repeat again after me. I am open to guidance. I am open to clarity. I am open to making the right decision for my highest good. I choose with confidence. I choose with ease. I choose with trust. Stay here for a moment and breathe deeply, allowing peace and clarity to fill you. Know that you are supported, guided, and never alone in your choices. And so it is.